Kitchen cabinets installations. A good quality installation work is very important for achieving the final result of your renovation project you hope for. Any renovation project can be a tough journey testing your skills and patience. It is important to follow certain steps in any renovation project you are undertaking, and to choose the right people to work with you. I have created this article to let the general public know about my cabinet installation services, but also to simplify the steps anyone should be taking to get to the end of his or her renovation project without bumps and bruises. There is a lot of information out there. Many manufacturers, cabinet dealers, and stores are offering variety of products. It is very easy to become disoriented in the middle of all that, not knowing anymore what you were actually looking for. Follow these steps and you should be fine. 1. Pick your own style. You have to find what you like and what you will feel great to have, once the project is completed. Do not listen to anybody, that this will look better, and that is on special. Remember, you will live with what you get, not the salesman. Search through magazines, showrooms, or neighbors' houses, and if you like something, stay with it. 2. Take measurements of your space and create simple layout. In most cases, you will be working within the existing area that you have available. Mark locations of your appliances. Relocation of your fridge or stove is possible in many cases. Measure twice, and also create outlines of your new kitchen on the floor using a masking tape. That will help you to visualize the final layout.